Hello friends, good evening. How are you all? Today, as discussed, we meet to talk about pearls, and today we'll be talking about pearls and rubies. So today being a Monday happens to be the day for pearls. So let's talk more about pearls and how interesting the aspect of wearing pearls can be. What we usually know, I will talk about. The general things that we all know is that pearls look beautiful. They are females love wearing pearls, or probably you would know that astrologically pearls are meant to cool down the mind, and it's worn in the last finger and all those things. There is much deeper and many interesting things about pearls, which I shall let you know, and trust me, you will love it. So let me start with pearls. Pearls are called moti, that we all know, and the ruler, that is the Swami of pearls, the ruler happens to be the moon. So the quality of the moon, as yesterday during the video on Saturday we had discussed that each gemstone has a ruler and hence the qualities, and that's why the Navaratnas are called the powerful magnets. And so when we wear the particular gemstone, it gives us that quality to attract, and hence they are the magnets, and we can become magnets as well by wearing each one of them, and anybody and everybody can wear any gemstone. So that's a myth totally. So coming back to the topic, that is pearls, the pearls ruler is the moon. So the moon has the qualities of calmness, soothing. So all those quality comes in the wearer of the pearls. So you become calm, you become focused. Then there are health related things that we shall discuss later during our video today. So here let me show you some of the varieties of pearls that I have. As you can see, they are all naturally real pearls shown here. The pearls are available in various sizes. They are available in carats again. So from small to big depending. So this that I am showing you are probably for making rings or making earrings or wearing it astrologically or anything that they are used. And the pearl, the ruler is the moon. Show this more. I will open some more sizes. Okay, another quality is that it gives a lot of positivity to the wearer. So we all know that there are times when we all tend to get a little very negative. So, and there is no harm in wearing pearls otherwise. So ideally, if astrologically you have been asked to wear the pearls, you have to wear it on a Monday. Otherwise there is no problem to wear. You can wear it as a jewelry also. So, and you know what, it also helps you pacify your desires to travel and explore. It calms down your mind, which is upset at times. So here the various qualities that are available is from either India, Venezuela, Persian Gulf. The Basra pearls, as you know, are the most expensive. So we all have to understand that whenever we are going for a Basra pearl, you have to go for the certified ones. The pearls help you to control the temper. It helps you get harmony between your married life, your other relationships. It also comforts. And you know what, we all know that pearls were preferred by the royal families. The kings and queens back then wore a lot of pearls, the many pearl strings. So that is the reason. The thing is that pearls, they get calmness, they help you in relation building. Pearls actually help you in a lot of controlling your mind and thoughts, especially the positivity. So when you are at a level when all these things need to be well in place, the pearls come in. So here what we can see, I have a certificate which specifies the authentication of the pearl. So this is a Basra pearl, as you know. So we give all the pearls or whatever gemstones we give in our company are all with certificates. We make sure that our buyers get it authentic, get the authentic piece, and we supply these things in bulk as well. So we are associated and we are proud to be associated with many jewelers, and we work on project basis. Like if you are a jeweler and you need consistent supply of any of these gemstones, we are here for you. You could inbox us, message us, and then our team will get back to you, and that consistent supply can be possible and a business relationship can start between us. So coming back to pearls again, I showed you a few varieties. Now let's talk about the jewelry. So normally, you know, these very good quality Venezuela or say Indian pearls, that is Basra, very good quality, you can make into earring or get something customized or design from us or from your jeweler, whatever you want, and you can wear it as a jewelry. Other thing is, such things, you all know about mother of pearl. So this is again a pearl set. If you wanted a little fancy, so this is a mother of pearl set. You can see the certificate here, IGI certified. All our products are IGI certified, and you can see the design. The set is designed, handcrafted, designed by hand, and then the ghat is made, and then the pearl pieces, the mother of pearl happens to be plates of natural real pearls. So from those sheets, the shapes that you can see, the petals here, the butterfly, you can see how intricate it is. You can see the beauty of the design, and next time I'll make sure that I have the sketch of the design that I'm showing you as well, so that you know how beautifully things can be actually created from the gemstones. So this all pieces are single, they are cut with special machines and then handcrafted and then hand set on the ghat. This is in 18 karat gold and diamonds, and the pearls are real here. So this is one type of pearl set. Another way you can wear is pearl string, usually pearl bracelet what you can wear. What you see here is also another pearl ring. You can see the mother of pearl is, the plate is real, and these are again the real pearls in rose gold. Pearl, another variety is what I am wearing here, that is the evil eye. So the plate from which the evil eye is made is again a pearl, natural pearl, and evil eye also helps protect you from the evil eyes, that is the bad energies, negative energies, and it brings good luck to you. You can get something designed from pearl plates. As you can see, the entire piece, the flower that you see is carved from pearl and diamonds. So there are various things that we could design in pearl, and at the same time it could give you the pleasantness and the soothing, the good qualities of the pearl, plus look good. You can customize something like this and give it as a gift to somebody who is getting married or your loved ones also. So pearl and certification I have covered. Another thing that I would like to tell you is that the pearl in India, the Basra ones, they hold the highest value, because Basra pearls are the actual natural ones, and the little lesser quality is the Venezuela, and then the China, the Japanese, and Hyderabad pearls are also very famous and they are good also. So that, and then culture and China pearls, that is what we say. So many people are selling, say China pearls, saying that they are, but then there are processes to be followed to make sure that the pearl is actually real. Okay, so I think we should not get in that aspect. What is more important is that you are getting something made in pearls and you are wearing. So the day to wear it is a Monday, and Monday basically happens to be the day for pearls. So if it is for astrological purpose, it is on a Monday. Otherwise, you can just wear it for regular wear. So hope this information helps. And the next gemstone that we'll take today is the ruby, the lovely red ruby. So ruby is also called as manik, and the ruler of ruby is the sun. So today we took one of the moon and the next is the sun. So the sun gives us energy. We know it's the powerful, the most powerful. We all are here because of the sun. The sun, if the sun doesn't get up, we can't function, we won't be there anymore. So the sun has the qualities of energy giving, and those particular qualities have been passed on to the manik or the ruby. Again, ruby is called the manik, and it belongs to the corundum family. It is available in various fancy shapes, ovals, rounds, as you can see, different caratage. There is no limit to the caratage available, and it is an epitome of love. It actually inculcates love, compassion, and the warmth in the heart of the wearer. So that is the reason it makes the wearer very sharp and agile. It also helps you enhance your financial stability, and it improves recognition in the society. Well, the positive influences that it creates are very well, are immensely benefited by the heart, eyes, blood, etc. So that is the reason, when I say that the quality of the sun, which is that it keeps your life going, is actually come down to the ruby. Ruby is ideal for health, wealth, prosperity. So the wearer benefits all these things when they are wearing ruby. You can actually make a ruby ring, simple ruby ring or earrings and all, and wear it, or get something customized or designed from ruby. They are available in various shapes and sizes. We could get them cut and made into jewelry also. The certificates, if I talk about, everything is certified. The certificates available are DHC. I've got a couple of from in our stock, which I can just show you for awareness, nothing else. And make sure you never buy any gemstone without certification. This is the GRS, which is also a good certification. IGI, as we all know, is well known, is also this is one of the certificates available there. And GII here, this is a Swiss gemological institute, and this is also a kind of certificate that you could get. So certification is covered of the rubies. Coming to the jewelry aspect, that jewelry which can be made is, I have a few things here to show you. This, as you can see, is a ruby bangle. It has been customized and designed. The ruby pieces are the marquise shaped, which are marquise shape is in the shape of an eye, have been designed, and it has been surrounded by diamonds. Rubies work very well with diamonds. They look amazing with diamonds. So this is the type of bangle. You can see a bridal set here, and this is a ring. It's not my size. You can see the tiny rubies that have been put here, and the diamond has been highlighted. So in this way, jewelry can be designed, or you could pick something off the rack. I'm sure many jewelers prefer having ruby jewelry in their collection, or you could get something customized from us or whoever you want to. We have an in-house designing team who is all the while designing things. So you could get something customized, like if you have something in mind that you've always been dreaming of, say a ruby ring, which you can come up with vague ideas, like I have always been dreaming of a ring which is of ruby, and say I have always thought of having a butterfly ring, or you could go even wilder, like maybe an angel or a mermaid ring or a necklace with this, and we are here to design you. So we do that all the time, and we could do this online also. In today's scenario, no need to meet up. We could now, we are all techno savvy. We could do it online for our clients, and we could do that as well. So coming back to the ruby and the pearls, the pearls we discussed, the real ones and the rubies, and today I'm glad that I could give you some knowledge. Please feel free to put some of your comments below, and if you feel that I have missed out on something, or maybe I was not able to convey well, or I'm open to comments, and do let us know how you are liking this. Are you finding this informative, or is it very boring, or whatever? We'll be more than glad to rectify our mistakes, and let's make it more of a discussion. And you could like and follow our YouTube page, where we keep posting more of such informative videos, and we are very glad to be connected with you. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet again, same time, 4 o'clock, and we'll be discussing about cat's eye and coral. So Tuesday happens to be the day of the coral. It is also called Munga. So we'll connect tomorrow at 4 o'clock. You please take care and see you tomorrow. Be safe. Bye guys.